Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard commerce students. We have started with second chapter, that is digital marketing, and today we will discuss a topic that is black hat and white hat SEO, as well as on page, off page and technical SEO. Last lecture we were discussing about ranking the website in search engine results. So examples or the ways to rank our website high in the search engine results was paid search and organic search. In case of paid search, user has to pay something for the search engine. It can be any search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and then that search engine will make a higher rank of your website. So that is using a paid search. By paying something, you can have a high rank. And the second way was organic search, that is your website has become more popular so that many of the users must have visited it, and that's why whenever user searches for the same kind of content, your website will get always in a high rank of search results. So that is the organic search. While explaining this, Dr. Ajay says that let me explain you how we can rank our website with the help of SEO process. So second way, that is organic search, was following the some SEO strategies. So techniques and strategies used to get higher search engine ranking and breaking search engine rules are black hat SEO and white hat SEO. So there are two different techniques and strategies like black hat and white hat SEO. Mr. Suhas says ask that what do you mean by black hat and white hat SEO? So he wants to know about black hat and white hat SEO. So we also want to know about what is white hat and black hat SEO. So Dr. Ajay explains about white hat and black hat SEO. First, white hat SEO. White hat SEO involves looking for ways to improve user experience ethically and genuinely. That is, user should feel your website is good, and the ways to improve it are following ethics, and it is a genuine process. It ensures that web page content should have been created for the users and not just for the search engines. So your website content should be for the users and not for just getting higher rank and for the search engines. So that is following the ethical and genuine process is a white hat SEO. Second one is black hat SEO. Black hat SEO relies on manipulating Google's algorithm to improve the ranking. So if your website is not getting higher rank, then many users or many web developers may try to manipulate the Google's algorithm so that they can get higher rank. How we can do so? So by creating a copy of some popular website which shows content similar to original website. So to follow or to use black hat SEO, some person can copy the content, can copy the appearance of some popular website and create the same kind of website so that the Google crawler reads the content and thinks the website is original one and it ranks the page. Crawler is a program used by search engines to collect the data from website. So in this way, someone can try to fool the Google algorithm so that your website is a copy of some another website, but that algorithm treats that website is the original one and ranks that page. So that is a black hat SEO. But always remember that we should follow white hat SEO tactic and don't try to fool your visitors and don't use the black hat SEO. Why? Because Google search algorithm has become enough intelligent now, because it can find out easily that you are fooling to rank your website, and the result of which may be it can ranks down your website, blacklist you so that your business go down in the open market. So that is a black hat SEO and white hat SEO. Users, or we should always follow the white hat SEO strategy. Next, Mr. Suhas asked that I heard something about on page SEO, off page SEO. Can you please tell me something about it? So Dr. Ajay now explains about on page, off page and technical SEO. Search engines don't look at a page the way persons look at it. See, whenever we see any website, we are more interested in the content of that website, not a source code related to it. So they can only read, that is search engines only reads the source code of the page, and the normal users, visitors to the website, are interested in the content of the web page. If you right click on the web page, you will likely to see an option for viewing the page source, which is always a HTML code. See, where we have also seen how to create a web page, and to create a web page we are using HTML language. So we know about the HTML source code. If we want to view the source code, then on the web page we can right click and there will be an option to view the page source code, by clicking on which we can see the source code. If you are not familiar with HTML code, it will look like a jumbled mess. See, now we all are aware about the HTML programs, but if suppose you are a normal user, then you will not get anything about that code and you will feel like it is a jumbled mess. So there are number of ways to approach the SEO to generate traffic to your website. So to have more visitors, to have or to generate the traffic to your website, there are different ways, different approaches to the SEO, and those approaches are on page SEO, off page SEO and technical SEO. Now let us see what is on page, off page and technical SEO. First one is on page SEO. Anything written within this, that is in a tag, is a HTML code. Every HTML program starts with a HTML tag, ends with a HTML tag, and that information is always written within the start tag and end tag. So anything between two sets of tag is something that could get put on the page for a person to read. For example, suppose we want to provide heading to our web page, then we use a tag, that is h1 tag, heading levels tag. Suppose we use h1 tag, then h1 start and h1 end. These two sets of tags will be there, and between h1 start and end we write down the heading for the page. So that content is the something that person will read. So text inside the tag tells browser and search engines how to render the information between tags. So that text informs that how we have to render between the informations. The reason it is called on-page SEO is that these changes are visible to the readers. See, everything is visible to readers because the changes are getting on the web page. So it can be said that on-page SEO. It is a balance between giving the right information to search engines without compromising the information that your consumer are reading on the page. So providing the right information and everything written on the web page to follow the orderings of the tags, closing of the tags, these all things involved in a on-page SEO. Second one is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is about everything that does not happen directly on your website. So that changes or that kind of information is not visible to the users. It is not happening directly on your website. Off-page SEO is about, among other things, like link building, social media, and the local SEO. That is making or trying to popular your website. That is connecting with some social media sites. Link building, that is providing your links in some other websites. So in this way, it allows generating traffic to your site. That is about off page SEO. And the last one is technical SEO. Technical SEO is a very important step in the whole SEO process. If there are problems with your technical SEO, then it is likely that your SEO efforts will not generate the expected results. So what are the technical aspects? See, simple example of technical SEO is a site speed. If your site speed is not good, then it will not get a high rank. Whenever user are creating website, they are taking more efforts on creating the visual aspects of your website, and to make it attractive, look attractive, they uses heavy graphic, heavy images, animations on that website, which makes the speed of website slow. So such a slow speed websites get lower rank. People do not like to wait for the slow websites. So if your pages load slowly, you will be ranked lower than a comparable site that has faster pages. So we should use less graphics on a web page, and we should focus on a content of the web page. That's why we can increase the speed of website. Another example is mobile friendliness. What is about mobile friendliness? See, most of the people visits the website on using a mobile phone. So how your website is looking on a desktop machine, in the same way it can look on a mobile phones as well. If your site looks bad on a mobile devices, then it does not follows the mobile friendliness, and search engines can detect that your website is not mobile friendly, and it lowers the ranking of your website. So that is about a technical SEO, which focuses on two major points, that is speed of website and the mobile friendliness. So today we have discussed about what is black hat, white hat SEO, as well as what is on page, off page, and technical SEO. Thank you.